This is the all-new attachment system that I picked up for the Echo PAS 225. This is the one I got from Home Depot. It was $269 for this and the trimmer attachment. I have a bunch of Stihl kombi stuff that I do not like anymore. Say for instance, just the engine head by itself. For this one that I have over here, this is the KM94 kombi attachment system. I have probably 7-8 kombi attachments, and just the hedge trimmers on that are horrible. These were only $179 for this hedge trimmer attachment. So I mean, for a trimmer, a hedge trimmer attachment, and the engine head, you're not even at $500. And for that one over there, it's like I think $25 now just for the engine head. It's a complete ripoff. One thing I do want to let y'all know is when you go to take this thing off, this thing gets extremely hot. I don't know why. I'm guessing this is why the steam thing is on there. But yeah, just be careful with that. I just went to take it off a minute ago, about burned my fucking hand. And it's still cooking. I just got done trimming the bushes around here. These things cut buttery smooth. I don't know what it is about these. I don't know if the teeth are a lot wider and they're more sharpened. But they cut 100 times better than the Stihl ones. But yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna go ahead and get away from that brand. I might sell off some of my kombi attachments and switch over to all this stuff. I don't know how well the warranty is so far. But I know even with my BR800 blower, I go to Ace Hardware, then they not only block my homeowner warranty that I pay for the extra oil. I don't know if it's the condition it's in, but I only use this thing maybe 6-7 times a day for an hour total. But yeah, they keep voiding my warranty. They say it's going to be only commercial, which I don't know. This thing I paid, I believe, is either $700 or $800, and 6 months later, the thing it would not start anymore. So I had to take it in, and then of course they told me I needed the I believe it was like an $80 valve adjustment. So I mean, right there we're like $900 just for this blower, and you have to choke it every single time. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of the Stihl blower and switch to Echo. I like the shape of these and how compact they are. The Echo, you know, it's more of like a tank